Our installers are labeled as 5-star installation experts. They wear it on their hats, they wear it on their shirt. I know they wear it in their hearts. What does it mean, Nick, to be a 5-star installation expert at NEWPRO?
Yeah, well, quite frankly, boil it down, it's delivering an experience that results in a 5-star review from our customers. We have the best windows in the world made for New England weather. Not only are they built to last, but they are installed to last. Customers are always concerned about what we're going to do in the wintertime. They're concerned about exposure to the elements while we're installing. They're concerned about heat loss. Most of our installations are going to take place on one day, regardless of the size. We'll staff up our crews in order to make that happen. In addition, we're going to isolate these rooms to prevent that heat loss. All these extra steps are part of our 5-star installation and what separates us from our competition. When those customers decide to do business with us, they've now become part of our family, and we're going to do everything we can to treat their home like it's our home.
Amazing. Every single day, 365 days of the year, right?
Of course.
Another peace of mind promise at NEWPRO.